YouTube was popping. It's your boy, Mr. Mitos. Back with another video. So check this out, guys. I decided to pull the trigger on one of these bad boys. I've had this for almost 2 weeks now and just ain't had the time to dedicate to it because I've been working on other projects, but I finally got this bad boy out the box, took it outside, and was not impressed. Was not impressed at all. Price tag, performance, ratio, ain't what it is. You feel me? With that being said, I decided to make some small modifications to it. One of them ones is a wheelie bar. This is a grown wheelie bar that I actually retrofitted to the bottom. Put it in the same exact holes that it would go on a grown, fit on the Mini Maxx. Added some glow underneath the body. I'm actually gonna take this outside right now and give it a run. And also change the receiver to run it off my Spektrum remote. And I also snatched out that 2S system and put in a 3150 kV 100 amp ESC combo from a GRAINY, old school GRAINY that I've been having in my collection of old parts. Got a 16 tooth pinion on it. It's not, you know, breaking any records, but it gave it a little bit more punch. Just a little bit more than what stock does. And it's gonna run much cooler. And we'll just see how it goes. So with that being said, let's get outside, guys, and let's let it rip. Let's get it. All right, guys, here's the setup. Got the little bitty 100 amp ESC, 3150 kV, 16 tooth pinion, 3S battery over there. Got my lights ran, super glue into the body, wheelie bar, and ready to rock and roll. All right, guys, let's just go ahead and getting kind of dark. You get to see some Christmas lights at the same time. Bam. Check it. Ooh, damn near dropped it. check it out. Let's get it. Damn, hold on. 75. Let's knock this down really quick. You know, I always start on 50. So let's just see what it do. Okay. Yeah, see, it's got a little bit more pep in it, for real, for real. Yeah, this is 50%, guys. Yeah, I like this. I'm not trying to keep it on this one. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, I can see if there's plastic in here, like the dips and whatnot. Yeah, I can see how you can easily destroy them with too powerful of a system. This is what's up. Bring it back. Need to go ahead and put me a headlight on here. Yeah. I'm grinning, guys. First time running this, I was, like I said, I was womp womp. Womp womp. Now it's like, haha, yeah. Ain't no money spent on electronics. I mean, I come with having multiple cars and swapping electronics and just having leftovers. Just threw something extra in there. Didn't have to buy anything extra. Yeah, it's moving. Yes, sir. Ain't tipped it over yet. Okay. Let me change that. Let's do 75. Will it pop a wheelie? Oh, yeah. Whoa, shoot. Okay. Yeah, this may be damaging. Yeah, this is quick. 16.2 pinion, guys. Oh, yeah, it's moving. That guy across the street. You want one for Christmas? Oh, he being destructive. He didn't even hear me because he in destruction mode. Yes, sir. Yeah, I need a headlight. 75%. That's a nice speed on here once you get used to it and the turning and whatnot. I'll tell you what, guys, this remote, the steering on here is so sensitive. Like, you literally have to dial down the steering rate because it steers so much quicker than the stock remotes, or the old Spectrums or the Radio Master. Like, it steers very, very quick, to the point to where you start to question yourself if replacing the servo is the issue versus getting a different remote that have a different latency or just sensitivity with turning it. You know what I mean? So I don't know what this car is doing. I've yet to full throttle it, guys. I'm kind of afraid because I definitely don't want to strip any of the gears. It's got that plastic. It's got that plastic spur in here. Yeah, this is dope. We got a Traxxas Spektrum Mini Maxx. Traxxas Spektrum. Whoa. I bet you if I put on 100%, it'd probably do a backflip. To be honest with you. Then I'm gonna break it if I do that. I don't want to break it just yet. Oh yeah, it's pretty stable. Turn around. Turn around. I don't know where the ass and the head is. Yeah. Yeah, this is all it needed. 3150 kV. Little system in there. 16.2 pinion. Nothing crazy. 32 pitch. Yeah. You see, my wheelie bar is really low, so it's preventing it from actually popping a wheelie all the way. I'll take that back. Never mind. Got up there a little bit. All right, guys, this is a really quick run. I just wanted to take it outside and see what it looked like at night with the body glow. Yeah. With the added electronics, I'd say it's a B plus. It's an 89%er. It's pretty dope. It's a lot of guys that's modifying it. It's a lot of people that ain't feeling it. You know what I mean? It's pretty pricey for what you get out the box. But if you love the hobby, 9 times out of 10, you got you one. Or you're gonna get you one. And then you're gonna modify it. Just like that. With that being said, guys, that's the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace and blessings. Congrats to the giveaway winners. And stay tuned for more videos to come. Peace.